Cut the sealing tape on the box. Take out the Easwe L10 main frame. Unfold the L10 seat backrest. Flip up the armrests on both sides. Place the high-resilience seat cushion on the seat. Remove the headrest protective cover and insert it into the backrest slot. Adjust to the desired height and tighten the two knobs to secure. The headrest is adjustable in 3 levels. After adjustment, tighten the locking nut. Press the seat up button to raise the wheelchair. Peel off the protective film from the frame. To fold down the armrest, pull outward to lower the armrest. Lift it back up, and it will automatically return to its position. The same operation applies to the side with the cup holder. Press the seat down button to lower the wheelchair. Press the seat up button to raise the wheelchair. Release the button to lock the seat height 20 cm adjustable range. Lift the motor control lever upward to switch to automatic mode. Press the motor control lever downward to switch to manual mode.
Attention, right brake state. Attention, right brake state. Attention, right brake state.
Power on the controller.
Welcome.
5 speed
4
levels.
gear, 3 gear, 2 gear, 1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear, 4 gear. Turn off the notice. Turn on the notice. Light on. Light off.
Seat up button. Seat down button.
Goodbye.
Pull out the footrest. Pull outward to remove the battery. Insert the charger into the controller's power port. After charging, reinsert the battery into the battery slot. Align the battery with the slot and push inward to secure. Lock the battery lock to complete installation. Remove the light cover under the controller. Insert the charger into the controller's power port. Press the button to fold downward. Retract the footrest. Remove the high-resilience cushion. Press to fold the backrest. Fold the armrest down. Open both armrests. Lift the backrest. Place the high-resilience cushion back on the seat. Press the up button to raise the seat. Pull out the footrest. The footrest can move the wheelchair. Comfortable sponge headrest. 3D butterfly wing backrest. Pull the lever to fold the armrest. Pull out the footrest. Lift the armrest. Mechanism omnidirectional wheels for flexible steering. Rear warning tail lights.